Hello viewers, today we are going to be discussing factorization. And before solving anything, let's first see what factorization is. Now factorization is simply the method of adding brackets to equation or expressions. Like what we have here now is an expression. And here I have the steps in order to factorize this expression. So for the number one step, which we are going to be trying out on this expression, it says identify similar values and collect like terms. Now what that means is that anywhere there are two or more values, those values are similar. Let me show you what that means. For example, we have A here and we have A here. What it says we should do is to bring them together as one, and this one also, there is B here and we have another B here. It wants us to bring them together. Now let's do that. So we have 6A plus AM plus, bringing this B and 6B together, we have BM plus 6B. So now that we have identified similar values and collected like terms, we brought them together. Now it says input brackets, which factorization is all about. Now to input brackets, you go back to those values you identified, which are this A and these B's. Sorry, these B's here. Then you bring out one of the the similar values. Like this A and A, will bring out just one and we'll write it here, A. And put open brackets, the values that were not similar, 6 plus, that is the sign here, the other value that was not similar also, which is M. Then we have M here. Close your brackets. Plus, which values were similar? Yes, we have B. B are similar. So you bring out one B, just one B. B. Open brackets, those values that are not similar, which are M and 6. That is M plus 6. Now, M plus 6 is also the same thing as 6 plus M. So what we are going to do again is to now combine these values that are also similar in order to refactorize those ones that were these ones that are not similar here. So this one and this one are similar. So let's bring it out. We have 6 plus M. Open brackets. Then these ones that are not similar, we open another bracket for it and we put A plus B. And that is how to factorize expressions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you once again.